My dear 10th class students. So we discussed up to, what we discussed? We discussed up to graphs, linear, quadratic and cubic. Today just we'll recall the what is the polynomial, what you learn in the polynomial. 3.1 is completed now. Then after you draw the graphs of, once open the page number 56. I given the linear equations of homeworks for you. So here in the do this. In the do this we have the some graphs are there. Okay, na? You have to solve the in the graph sheet paper, that is the do this. Next to try this. In the page number 57. Draw the graphs of x square minus x minus 6. Okay, na? This is the quadratic equation. Next to y is equal to, this is I given the clue 6 minus x minus x square. Find the zeros in the each case. Zeros means what? Verification. Okay. Next to page number 69. 59. Write the quadratic equation. Polynomials have the two zeros each. Write the quadratic polynomial means. So first try this. First one, okay. So we can write here x square plus 5x plus 6. So if you do the quadratic equation factorization, you will get the two zeros. Okay, na? For this one, you have to do the factorization. So second also you have to write that. That means what? You have to own create. Okay, na? Write one quadratic polynomial has 1 0. What one quadratic polynomial means here? Second bit. X plus 3. One quadratic polynomial. One quadratic means what? X plus 3. X is equal to what here? Minus 3. So like that. Okay, na? Next. How will you verify the quadratic polynomial has only 1 0? How will you verify means what? If it is the degree is 1, the degree is 1, we can verify the polynomial has only 1 0. That means what? How we can verify? We can verify that if the linear polynomial has only 1 0. Okay, na? Next, fourth one. Write three quadratic polynomial has a no zeros. No zeros means what? So I'll give them one example. Fourth bit. Okay. X square plus 2x. If I write the 8. So 8 is going to be stable again, cancel. Not 8, not 7. Writing the 7. So 7 is going to be stable, cancel. 7 1 ja 7. 7 plus 1 means what? 6. 7 minus 1 means what? 6. Sorry, 7 plus 1 means what? 8. 7 minus 1 means what here? 6. So here what is there here? Number here? 2 is there here. So if we are doing the addition or subtraction, we will get the middle number. Is it possible? So it is not possible. It has no zeros. It has no zeros. So you can write here, it has no zeros. Okay, na? So like that you have to write the more 2. Okay. Next. So see the graphs. These are all the graphs in case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4 here. In case 1 we have the in x-axis. They cut on the x-axis. That means what? It has zeros. In the second also it has cut as the x and negative and positive. It has also zeros. In the third, in the second case, it has only cut as only 1 point. Okay, na? In the second also, it has cut as only 1 point. Okay. So that means what? It has only 1 0. Above the graph, it has only 2 zeros. Okay, na? In the third case, it is not touching the point. It's not touching the point. So like this problem, it will not touch on the x-axis. That means what? It will not cut on the x-axis. Same also, second diagram also. So the quadratic polynomial x square plus bx plus c has no zeros. Okay, na? Each case. So what is the meaning of? If it is not cutting the on x-axis, it has no zeros. If it is cut on x-axis, only 1 point, it has only 1 0. If it is cut on x-axis with the 2 points, are negative or positive, both are positive or both are negative, it has 2 points. Okay, na? Next. Cubic polynomial is completed. That means a graph is completed. Next also try this. Page number 61. Find these zeros of cubic polynomial without drawing the graph. This is also completed. Next to, so once we coming to the 3.2. Okay, na? Second bit is only one is left here. Second bit. Okay. Only we have second bit as left, second and fourth bit. Okay na? Today we will complete this exercise, and the next class we will discuss. I will say that this class formulas. So next class you have to do the by heart the formulas and substitute in the problems. Find the zeros of given the polynomial. It is also there in the 9th class only. Find the zeros of given polynomial. So zeros of given polynomials here. Look here. First, second bit. First here, p of x is equal to 3x. 3x is equal to what here? 0. So we have zeros of polynomial means what? It is equal to the 0. So x is equal to, so send this one, 0 by 3. X is equal to what here? 0 only. Okay na? Next, second also, x square plus 5x plus 6. Keep the equal 0. Do the factorization. Okay na? This is the homework for you. 6 is going to be stable cancel. I will give the clue. 3 plus 2. That means what? Instead of the 5 place, you write the x square, 3x plus 2x plus 6. Okay na? Then you do the verification. I said verification on the graph. Same like that you have to do. Okay? Next, x plus 2 into x plus 3. Equal the 0. You have to equal the 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to what here? Minus 2. X is equal to what here? Minus 3. So like that. Okay na? This is also will come like this only. X square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. So if you take the common, you will get like this problem. Okay na? Next to x to the power of 4 minus 16. Okay na? So we can write here x square whole square minus 4 whole square. Okay na? Which formula this is? A plus b into a minus b. That means what? X plus 4 into x minus 4. Okay na? X plus 4 into x minus 4. So otherwise you will do one thing. The problem. X square whole square minus 4 square. Which formula? A plus b into a minus b. We will get what? X square plus 2. X square minus 2. Okay na? X square minus 4. Sorry. Next. X square plus 4 is equal to 0 and x square minus 2 square. Same here also. X plus 2 into x minus 2. X plus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So here x square is equal to minus 4. Okay na? X square is equal to what? Minus 4. X is equal to under root of plus or minus 4. So what is the answer? X is equal to minus 2 comma plus 2. Okay na? So how many roots we will get here? Here 2, 3, 4. Okay na? Next fourth one, 1 by 4 and minus 1, zeros of the polynomial p of x. Substitute the 1 by 4 in this. If you get the answer is 0, that is a 0 polynomial. Substitute the minus 1 also in this question. If you get the 0, that is also answer is completed. Okay na? Check out. So next we have some formulas there here. The formulas. So I will say the formulas. I will stop the class. Then after we will do the third 3.3. Open everybody. Open the page number 66. Okay na? 66. Alpha plus beta. Here note is given. Alpha and beta are the Greek letters pronounced the alpha and beta. So that means what? That is called as the alpha is the beta is pronounced as the respectively. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So formula. This is the formula. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. This is called sum of roots. What we can call? Sum of roots. Okay na? Next product of roots. Product of roots. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. Most important. Minus b by a and what is that? C by a. Alpha beta means what? Product. Alpha plus beta means what? Sum. Sum of the roots. Okay na? Next we have the one formula. Quadratic formula. After this exercise you have to write down the all this. quadratic polynomial. Very important. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This is the finding the quadratic equation. These three formulas you have to remind, that means what, you have to by heart. Okay, na? One check out. So that is class is completed. Next class we will discuss the remaining.